Are you installing a new fence but can't decide between horizontal or vertical? One might look more modern, but which one lasts longer? Let's break it down. When it comes to structural integrity, vertical fences have a clear advantage. They rely on strong, upright posts that transfer weight directly into the ground. This makes them more resistant to sagging over time. Horizontal fences, on the other hand, depend on their rails to stay rigid. If not properly reinforced, they can warp, especially in extreme weather. In regions with strong winds, vertical fences handle pressure better since wind flows through the gaps. Horizontal fences, however, act like a solid wall, taking the full force of the wind. Moisture is another factor. Horizontal boards tend to trap water, leading to rot faster than vertical fences, where water naturally runs off. Both fence types require maintenance, but horizontal fences often need extra support to prevent sagging. Regular staining and sealing help extend their lifespan. If installed correctly with high-quality materials, both designs can last over 15 years. But vertical fences tend to have fewer structural issues over time. So, which is better for you? If durability is your main concern, a vertical fence is the way to go. But if you're aiming for a sleek, modern look, a horizontal fence can still be a great option, with the right materials and maintenance. Need expert advice or professional installation? Call us today at 781-767-3596 or visit CAANFenceInc.com to get started.